Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's sets tutorial, we will learn how to disable YouTube in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the extension search bar, search for Site Blocker or Block Site. Choose any trusted extension, such as one with many users and a good rating. Click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension. After the extension is added, close the Web Store tab. Now open Extensions and click on the Block Site extension. To block YouTube, type YouTube. After typing youtube.com, click OK. You will now see that YouTube has been successfully blocked. We disabled YouTube in Chrome by installing a site blocking extension. Then we added youtube.com to the block list, so the site cannot open in the browser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.